Product reviews are a cornerstone of modern consumer culture. Whether it's on YouTube, a blog, or a podcast, people turn to reviews to make informed purchasing decisions. So in this competitive landscape, the presentation of your review can make all the difference. While the content and insights you provide are crucial, the delivery, including the voiceover, plays a significant role in capturing and retaining your audience's attention. Hi, I'm Jennifer Jumas, a voiceover artist as well as a licensed clinical psychologist for almost 25 years. So here's why a professional voiceover is key for successful product reviews. Establishing credibility. A professional voiceover lends credibility to your review. It signals to your audience that you take your role seriously and have invested in delivering high-quality content. A polished voiceover creates a professional impression, making viewers more likely to trust your opinions and recommendations. For example, imagine watching a review of the latest smartphone. A review with a clear, articulate voiceover sounds authoritative and trustworthy, whereas a review with a poor quality voiceover may raise doubts about the reviewer's expertise and credibility. Enhancing engagement. Engagement is crucial for the success of any product review. A professional voiceover can significantly enhance engagement by keeping viewers interested and invested in your content. A skilled voice actor can infuse energy, enthusiasm, and emotion into a review, making it more compelling and enjoyable to watch. For example, in a review of a gaming console, a dynamic and enthusiastic voiceover can convey the excitement of using the product, keeping viewers engaged and eager to learn more about its features and performance. Improving clarity and understanding. Clarity is key when it comes to product reviews. A professional voiceover ensures that your message is communicated clearly and effectively to your audience. A skilled voice actor can articulate key points, explain complex features, and provide detailed insights in a way that's easy to understand and digest. For example, in a review of a digital camera, a professional voiceover can explain technical specifications and camera settings in a clear and concise manner, helping viewers make informed decisions about the product. And of course, adding personality and emotion. A professional voiceover allows you to inject personality and emotion into your product reviews. Whether you're excited about a new gadget, impressed by its performance, or disappointed with its shortcomings, a skilled voice actor can convey these emotions effectively, creating a more engaging and relatable experience for your audience. For example, in a review of a skincare product, a warm and friendly voiceover can share personal experiences and feelings about the product, helping viewers connect on a more emotional level and empathize with the reviewer's perspective. Creating a memorable experience. A professional voiceover can make your product review stand out from the crowd and leave a lasting impression on your audience. A distinctive voice, coupled with an engaging delivery, can make your review memorable and increase the likelihood of viewers returning to your channel or website for future reviews. For example, a review of a new kitchen appliance with a witty and charismatic voiceover can make viewers remember not only the product, but also the enjoyable experience of watching the review, prompting them to share it with friends and family. So in summary, in this competitive world of product reviews, a professional voiceover is a key ingredient for success. By establishing credibility, enhancing engagement, improving clarity, adding personality and emotion, and creating a memorable experience, a professional voiceover elevates your reviews to the next level. Investing in professional voiceover services is not just about improving the quality of your content. It's about building trust with your audience and establishing yourself as a reputable and influential reviewer in your niche. Make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell, and email me if you'd like a free sample recording of your script with my voice.